Hey, what's up you guys? Back again with another video. So, as you guys know, I don't really drive the Shelby as much. My evap system got plugged up. Just bought this little part. Purge valve, don't correct me. At first I thought somebody cut my fuel line because every single time that I wanted to fill up, it would click within like less than $1. Click, click, click. And then as soon as I get it out, all the fuel would just spill out of the car. Oh. Like, what is going on? Turns out I read the code. The code said evap system, something to do with the purge valve when we looked up the actual code. Let's hope this works. Still saying blocked, so let's go check. Okay. I'm really hoping this works. Only 91. Okay. 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 Nope. Nope. That didn't fix shit. I thought it was a purge valve, but I guess not. Damn. Let's see. All the fuel just spilled out. I am seriously pissed off that I couldn't figure this out. I'm gonna try to fix it tomorrow, honestly. We're gonna be hitting the races right now. The boys.
Yes, sir.
Everybody's on drag radios.
I think there's supposed to be a run with a Hellcat and a 335.
Make your car loud. Cut your cats.
No, legal
Ryan.
boys. That's what we are.
Get a 5.0.
I'm not getting a 5.0.
Then get a Corvette.
Stick with my Supra.
Nobody likes her B4. What is it, Trump?
B48 2.0 gang. Let's go. Yo, that shit is nice.
I want to build my Supra now.
God damn it, Brian. We go to one car meet.